Hi, so let's explore some of the ways that we can route our emails to create content in Confluence where we want it. So as we can see here on the configuration page, the default space key is set to M2P. So any emails should be created under there. So let's give that a try. So here is the email address configured that the add-on is going to check, and I'll say test A1. So I'm going to go ahead and send that email, and I'm going to give it just a second to get the server to process it, and then I'm going to hit check email now to test it out. So this, by default, I think it's set to check every 5 minutes, and you can control that. But if you hit check, it'll check it right away, and it says found email, and then a bit about what it discovered. So now let's go ahead and go over to our space, which is M2P, and I have some test notes crowding up the works here, but we can see that test A1 was created as a page under the home page. So the parent page is here. Now let's go ahead and configure a default page. So I have this other page, email parent page. So let's go ahead and set this as the parent page to new emails. So now if we go over to this configuration and email parent page, and this does have to be exact, go ahead and save that. So now, and we can go ahead and add the children macro here. So now let's create another email. And we'll say test A2. And go ahead and send that. And trigger another email check. Email servers are not always the fastest, but there we go. It did find it, test A2. And now if we navigate here and refresh the page, we'll see that test A2 was created as a subpage to the email parent page. Okay, next let's look at how to route an email with a command tag. So I'm navigating here to the Artemis Software homepage. Things are kind of condensed. There we go. And if we go to the documentation and then navigate to command tags version 1, I should get rid of that other link. It explains how to route emails if you add these tags to the body of your email. So let's go ahead and try one. Let's go ahead and add this tag to override the title. So we'll send it there. We'll say test A3, but then we're going to override that with overridden title test A4. So not sure if I spelled overridden right, but it doesn't really matter. Let's go ahead and send that and see what happens. I'm going to flick back here and check the email again. And this video is currently being made on Confluence version 5.6.1. And the version of the add-on is 2.0.3 currently. Always helpful to know what version you're looking at. So that email was found, and so it correctly continued to go to under the email parent page. So this time, let's go ahead and use the command tags, which are found on this page currently. And let's go ahead and try to route an email as a blog. So we'll include this in the body of an email. Should go to blog. And our space key is already, actually we need to set the space key, which happens to be the same as this. This is a blog, looks good. And let's go ahead and send that and check the email. Looks like it was found. And it looks like the blog entry was created correctly.